Hello everyone, this is Steve with the Free Bullion Investment Guide. Today is July 13th, and I'm doing a review and outlook price analysis video for silver. This is silver's 4-hour chart, and to quickly review last week's video, I'd shown you this falling wedge pattern, which is a positive pattern, and the price of silver did do as expected. It did move higher, but it stayed below 1535, as I stated in last week's video, that I did not expect it. I did expect it to rebound and move higher, breaking the pattern, but I did not expect it to break above 1535 or 1555 for that matter. I really expect until we get a confirmation as far as what the Fed's going to do at the end of this month. They meet on July 30th and 31st. We should know by the 31st what they're going to do as far as interest rates. We did have Jerome Powell in Congress testifying this past week, and his testimony basically helped gold and silver, for that matter, move higher because he hinted to the fact that it's likely, or it matters how in his words, it matters how the economic indicators look like and so on. But really, if the stock market falls or something happens with the trade deal, something dramatically bad, we're likely to see rate cuts. And really, traders don't really know what the heck's going to happen until the end of the month, but right now they're betting that it's going to be cut. So that's the reason why gold and silver moved higher last week and breaking the pattern, confirming it. Now, really what I expect out of silver is more of a seesaw, up and down movement, and I have found a negative pattern in the price of silver, a rising expanding wedge. Gold actually has two. I found two of them in gold's chart this week. This is the one I just found, but this one has been in gold's price chart for the last several weeks. But I also, as I stated in my gold video, that I don't expect it to break below 1380. 1380 is a very strong support level for gold. But back to the silver. Silver now has a rising expanding wedge. How long it stays in the pattern is anyone's guess. I really can't tell you. As I look at the chart, I do kind of no, never mind. I don't. I was kind of seeing a positive pattern, but not right now. It's too early, too soon to see a positive pattern in this price movement right here. So I'm going to stay away from that. So right now for this week, I have this negative rising expanding wedge in the price of silver. I do continue. It may flirt with the 1535 level. It could move up inside of it and flirt with the 1535 level. Clearly the RSI looks like it could. Really, silver's just moving sideways, but it could move higher, it could move lower, but I really expect a sideways movement, seesaw up and down movement out of silver until we know what the Fed's going to do at the end of this month. So again, we do have the rising expanding wedge, a large negative pattern. 1535 currently stands as closest resistance, and 1505 stands as current support. I really would be very surprised if even whenever silver breaks this pattern, if it falls below $15. I would be very surprised in that, simply because of all the uncertainties in the market. And silver seems to have strong support above 15. So that's it for this week. I thank you for your time. Take care, and God bless.